Alright, yeah, for this size, this is really good. I'm 186 centimeters tall and I fit perfectly behind myself. We have the ventilation outlet here, not a separate climate system, but that's alright. Then the isofix points are hidden behind those zippers, like the Dacia Duster did. It's a great idea, I suppose. Alright, decent armrest, and like I think you can put your phone here. And this one also has the panoramic roof. 2 pockets. That's good. Yeah, pretty good. Nothing to complain here. Now again, for the class, this is a really roomy cargo area, and really cool trick is you have those little tabs here, so it's really convenient. You don't have to hold the floor of the cargo area. The spare wheel is optional, and we have one light there. One strap here, and yeah, the electric tailgate is also included in some kind of package. I really like the fact that the ventilation outlet is on the door, just like the E34 or E39 BMWs. But yeah, overall I really like this car. It's a really nice value for money, and you got pretty funky and cool looking materials like this one here. And so yeah, oh, this is soft, so yeah, there's not that many cheap plastic. Let's fire it up. let's check out the acceleration of this 1.2 liter beast. Let's put it to sport mode and hit it. Really like gradual. Yeah, it's not meant for low figure accelerations, but yeah, I really like the sound of the 3-cylinder. At this point I've been driving around with quite a lot of cars with 3 cylinders, and at this point I have to say that I really like the sound of the 3-cylinder engine. It's like more grunty, and you know, it has some kind of character to it. But yeah, handling wise, it feels safe, and you don't want to like hoon it around that much. You can enjoy it, but it's not definitely meant for curvy roads. Oh yeah, the suspension, yeah, it's alright. There is alright amount of body roll. let's recap the highway driving experience. Really quiet for the class, and I have to say it again, this 3-cylinder, it's very nicely isolated, so it doesn't get on your nerves. I mean, it's like 1.2 liter unit. Oh yeah, and the gearbox is like EDCT, which means that it's a double clutch electrified unit. So what I read about it is that it's not directly connected to the engine, So there's some kind of electric motor just for the gearbox between. I don't really understand it, but yeah, it works really nicely. It works really well. The transitions between electric and combustion engine, they're like seamless. And yeah, what I've also heard is that despite being a mild hybrid, some have said that it's the mild hybrid plus, and it has like 1 kilometer of range, which is crazy for a mild hybrid. So at this point, why don't they just call it a hybrid then?